Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about effect of heat. Okay students, earlier we have seen the measurement of heat where we have solved the problems on the basis of formula ms delta T, okay, which tells that amount of heat depends upon mass, specific heat and temperature difference of the object. Okay students, we will solve one more question based on this. The question is 5000 calorie of heat is given to 100 gram of water of 10 degrees Celsius. So students, here Q, that is amount of heat is given, that is 5000 calorie, and it is given that 100 gram of water. So mass of water is basically 100 gram, and T1, the initial temperature is given as 10 degrees Celsius. We have to find the final temperature. Okay students, as earlier also we know that specific heat of water is 1 calorie. So specific heat of water is basically 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Okay, so putting the values, we can get here Q is equal to ms delta T, and after rearranging Q is given as 5000, M as 100, S as 1 and delta T, here we have to obtain this T. Okay, and initial T is given. So rearranging the equation, we get 100T minus 1000, or we can say that 100T is equal to 5000 plus 1000. Okay, and that is equal to 6000. So taking the ratio, we can get temperature is equal to 60 degrees Celsius. So this is the final temperature. Okay, now students, talking about the topic that is effects of heat. So students, you all know that heat have many effects. So on heating any substance, some changes occur. Whenever we are going to heat any substance, many changes occur which will be obtained through activities. So students, for this you have to perform an activity. If you are going to take a steel vessel, suppose you are taking a steel vessel and you have to take some potatoes, okay, and you are taking some potatoes in it, and now student, what will happen, wash them properly with water and put into the vessel. Okay, after cleaning it, put into the vessel, keep 1/4 of water in it. आपको क्या करना है, एक स्टील का पैन या लेना है, यूटेंसिल लेनी है, उसमें आप फ्रेश और क्लीन पोटैटोज़ डालेंगे, 1/4 वाटर रखेंगे, फिर उसके कवर को, उसके लिड को कवर कर देंगे. ओके, एंड देन व्हाट यू विल सी व्हेन यू अप्लाई हीट, then there will be some consequences. Okay, what you will see that water starts boiling, and because of this the temperature is increasing, and you will see that there is increase in the volume of water. जो पानी है उसका वॉल्यूम बढ़ेगा, जिसकी वजह से आप देखेंगे there is expansion of liquid. Okay, you can see it comes out of the utensil, वो बर्तन के बाहर आने लगता है. Then students, evolving out of steam, आप भाप को निकलते हुए देखते हैं, that is change of state. हमने जो लिया था लिक्विड था वो स्टेट, ठीक है, वाटर लिक्विड स्टेट में था, लेकिन जब हमने उसको हीट दिया तो वो किस स्टेट में कन्वर्ट हो गया, गैसेस, ठीक है, जो कि वेपराइज हो रहा है, वेपर्स के फॉर्म में हमें दिख रहा है. देन स्टूडेंट्स, यू विल सी दैट बेकिंग ऑफ पोटैटोज़, जो पोटैटोज़ हैं वो फिर पक जाएंगे, एंड here it is basically a chemical change. Okay, now students, one more thing is happening, that destroying of bacteria, जो बैक्टीरिया है वो भी क्या हो रहा है, डिस्ट्रॉय हो रहा है. तो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स आप कह सकते हैं कि देयर इज़ बेसिकली बायोलॉजिकल चेंज. ठीक है, जो पोटैटो बेक हो जा रहा है वो कैसा है, बायोलॉजिकल चेंज है. ठीक है, क्यों, क्योंकि उसकी वजह से जो बैक्टीरियाज है वो मर जा रहे हैं. ओके, so student, this is about the change that are occurring in other substances on heating. Thank you. and students make list of these items, and if you are, it will be better for you that you can perform. Students, अगर आप इन experiments को perform करते हैं तो ये बहुत अच्छा होगा आपके लिए. ओके, ये सारे changes जो वाटर में हो रहे थे और ये सारे इफ़ेक्ट्स जो हीट की वजह से हुए, इसकी आप एक लिस्ट बना लीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू क्लास.